the firefighting operation, it is still on. Fire is though under control. I'll not say it is fully doused. We are 3 ships already in the area along with the vessel, and also we are taking regular sorties, air sorties. Yesterday we had spread the dry chemical powder also through helicopters, which has controlled the fire to a larger extent. Uh, Today also the efforts are on since morning. Morning indications are also there that there is some control over the fire. But just because it's a general fire and in the containers, it may take some more time. As if now there is no immediate danger to the life on board ship. All crew is intact except the one which has been reported dead so far. 20 crew balance is all intact on board, and we are keeping the vessel slightly away from the coast. We have also requested state agencies to prepare for any exigencies that may take place because of oil pollution in case the things deteriorate further. We have dished out warning to all the concerned states so that the state disaster contingency plan is also activated towards the pollution response. Fire is, I'll say, we are in the control of the fire, but generally because of containers, it as per the past experience take about 3 to 4 days by the time it's fully doused off, and because even after dousing of fire, the area remained quite heated up. So there we have to keep a watch over this. It's quite a big tragedy because the fire and especially when the vessel is also carrying certain dangerous cargo. So though there is no fire to that particular portion, but it in case it is it could have resulted if Coast Guard would not have reacted, it could have resulted into a major disaster, and this is as if not under control.
Or are you fearing that?
No. It is just a preparedness. We have to be prepared from all the angles. As if now there is no oil pollution, there is no danger to the ship as per se, no damage to the ship as per se, other than the containers which are on fire. So it is just a preparedness that once such incident take place, we have to keep all the contingencies into consideration. That is how we are preparing for pollution response also. We have 3 ships involved. One ship, 3 are already in the area, and one has joined recently, another in the morning, so that makes 4. One more ship has been will be reaching by evening to augment the efforts. Besides this, there are 2 Dorniers and advanced light helicopters which are pressed into action, and of course our own office and the adjacent office, as well as the from also it is being monitored centrally by Coast Guard headquarters Delhi as well as Mumbai. No, we are fully equipped. Our ships have got all the required resources available for fighting any external fire. So they are fully equipped. Manpower is trained. So we have no doubt in capabilities of our ship or man.
Traveling through Indian.
That will be seen later on. As if now that has to be decided by DG Shipping. We are here only first our aim is to control the fire and douse it out completely. So those are the later parts.